welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Trends. And on the mix is Dwayne. And Dwayne is speaking about an issue. He's saying that, people tend to be bitter and, they don't want to post on other people's page except for his when he posts something and he's really upset about it. So go catch the video and remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy, happy birthday. I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity throughout this your year. And for all my other lovelies and supporters, my friends, my followers, my subscribers, family, whatever you may call me, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day. And remember not to take what anyone wants to say about you or you know, around you personally. Sometimes people will try to trigger you. Now, we can't allow people to trigger us because whatever is happening, whatever they basically send to us or say to us is something that they're portraying of themselves. Sometimes it's not us. So we have to understand that and try to move on from situations and don't let people trigger us using words. Words are very powerful. However, we have to draw back and sit and think about what is the intention of the other person when they say something to us or, they put it out there in reference to us. Make sure that we are not sitting and thinking into what people are saying about us, but thinking into what we believe about ourselves. Now, understand that words are triggering and they can be very, very painful if we allow them to be. So sit back, relax, watch the crowd sometimes and watch what they want to say. But in ourselves, we have to understand that with these words, sometimes these people are trying to trigger us. Don't be triggered.
You hyenas on a jump out, I want to do the most under the comments. For what reason? Why can't you just say congratulations and just keep why don't you say congratulations? Just keep it pushing. Why have to be so nasty under my comments? I know the funny thing on a couldn't you fuckers, you harlots on a couldn't God nobody else people could do that shit. No, I am not triggered. It's not just planks alone. One plank when she always go overboard one in Casey and Frank. That one is always just doing the most, right? But it's others under the post who I'm like, what's this? Is this necessary? I have a come post one picture. One picture cause this. One little picture cause this. I realize you see Jamaican people, well most I know, and I'm a post. And this is the truth. I realize that on is really hateful. On is really, really hateful. On can't say something and say, alright, I'm happy for the person. Not because on a don't like the person does not mean someone cannot say congratulations. Or, say something nice. Well on. I mean, look how far me I come from. Look how far I'm coming from. I know they still hate me. I know probably even she too still is upset with me. I know. Oh no, Amido. I'm not gonna walk around here and carry burdens on my shoulder. I'm not gonna do that. I'm not depend that. So why is Uno like this? Why? And worst of all, Uno, you come on my page, come do this. Why you couldn't go on one of the other pages and go do it? Other people I see posting and congratulating them. Why you couldn't go fit them page go on themselves? Cause no say they're black, Uno. Don't get me wrong, there were some nice comments. There was a lot of nice comments. But for the most part, most of you was just too nasty. And Casey and Francis, it's like your face, your plank about sister, or you was your pitney. You're nobody to her. Come off my page with the nastiness, gal. I don't know you. And shit, I don't want to know you. He's a big blood clot woman. Go look after your pitting them. Go look after your pit. Hold on there. Hold on there. Casey, you're not having pitting where look a bit funny. A backside, me forgot to know your cousin. Your cousin, the time say I want pitting where funny. The time you dey pay your boy, you want come class. Go look after your pitney. Go look after your Casey and go look after your Casey and Francis to be exact. Go and look after your pin. Don't come my page with the nastiness. Come off my page, girl. Come off my page. I don't know you and shit Donna. She don't know you either. Everything come up here. Oh, go Nyamo DMG. Go suck out this. Go suck out that. Why on my page? I'm pretty sure I did block you. How did you get unblocked? How one block you? I blocked you. I maybe block you. How did you get unblocked? When you're doing too much, wish the woman well. When I talk to the woman that she not get citizenship. How are you the American government? I remember enough on this how she couldn't go to America. And look what she done in America. Is she not in America now? Is the woman not in America now? What is the big deal? When you're too bitter. And it's too damn hateful. You can't see someone acquiring something where nothing did say. Not me. Una did say. She can't go. Don't get me wrong, I might have rebroadcasted it, but that only did say, not me. Not me. So why? What? Exactly, Sharon. Foreign is for everyone. But some of them go like say, just go read the comment them. Go read the comment them. One wally pa nastiness. This one, the green card could have come in a bucket of shit. We don't care. I'm gonna block you. I am blocking you. I'm blocking you. Oh, I'm not blocking you. This one is too bad. This one is too bad. I thought it was bad. But look, you people are hypocrites. 258 of you like that post. 295 comments. I never see that kind of comments or people on my live stream. So what's up? What is it so? What's the big deal? Where did you I wanna come from? Why no one can push us in the face now? Why push out your faces? Why like the post? Why not leave it for the 20 plus people who's normally like my live? Why not leave it for them to like my live, to like the post too? Where I wanna come from? Where did you people come from? You know, I realize with you people, if people is not singing praise to people who you want to support, you don't want to support those people. At this point, go and take off on a fucking likes. Go take off on a ass likes off my post. I post it for my own purposes. I'm a 20 of people purposes only. Not for the rest of you. Not for the rest of you. Go take off on a like. I'm gonna delete your comments. Go and delete your comment. Take off your freaking likes. If any on my live right now having likes in it, go take it off. Go and take it off. It's not needed. Only is what we call fucking hypocrites. And that's just the truth on these hypocrites. I don't like hypocrites. I detest, I despise hypocrites. And mostly on my life right now are hypocrites too.